بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلاب مدرسة التميز النموذجية، أهلا وسهلا بكم مع درس جديد من الوحدة الثالثة مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. Today, inshallah, we are going to study lesson 6. Open your workbook, page 18. Language practice. Exercise 1. Adjectives ending in ing and ed look very similar, but they have different meanings. Today, inshallah, we are going to know the difference between adjectives ending in ing and the adjectives ending in ed. Look at these two examples. The Kuwait Book Fair is amazing. Amazing describes Kuwait Book Fair. The second example, I was amazed when I saw the Kuwait Book Fair. Adjectives ending in ed and ing. Amaze, for example, amaze, amazing, amazed. Amuse, amusing, amused. Annoy, annoying, annoyed, etc. So, what's the difference? As we said, adjectives with ed and adjectives with ed. Adjectives with ed describes a person's own feelings, like bored, confused, interested, excited, surprised. This lesson is difficult. I am confused. Kate had nothing to do. She was very bored. But adjectives ending in ing describes a situation, a thing, or a person that causes the feeling. Boring, confusing, interesting, exciting, surprising, etc. This lecture is very confusing. I don't understand. The movie was so boring that Jim nearly fell asleep. Let's apply this rule. Choose the correct adjectives. Choose the correct adjectives. The first example is given. I enjoyed the film. It was really exciting. The film is exciting. Number A. Number A. He was a very interesting or interested teacher. I'm describing the teacher, not me, not myself, not my feeling. Yes, excellent. He was a very interesting teacher. Interesting. The children were always interesting or interested in his lessons. Excellent. Feelings, interested, because I describe feelings. So the children were always interested. Number B. I am terrifying or terrified of spiders. Now I describe my feelings. So it is excellent. Terrified. Terrified. Number C. We had a very tiring or tired journey. So the journey here is think. So we are going to choose tiring. Excellent. Number D. Before we went on holiday, we describe our feeling. Very exciting or excited. Yes, excited. When I was a child, I was never boring or bored. Yes, excellent. Bored. Number F. Omar told us an amusing or amused story about his goldfish. Excellent. Amusing story. Because story is think, not feeling. Grammar assistant, let's revise the previous lesson, which was about adjectives. One syllable adjectives or short adjectives like warm, we add est to the superlative form, the warmest. Two-syllable adjectives ending in er like clever. Also we add est, the cleverest. Adjectives ending in le like gentle, only add st like gentlest. Two-syllable adjectives or more, we use most helpful, most interesting, the most interesting, and etc. Irregular adjectives like good, the best, bad, the worst, far, the furthest, and the farthest. This is our grammatical rule or our previous grammatical rule, and we studied it the previous lesson. Reading is more important than watching TV. This is comparative adjective with long adjective. Kuwait is smaller than Saudi Arabia. It is a comparative adjective with short adjective. Reading is the most important hobby. It is a superlative adjective with long adjective. Kuwait isn't the smallest country. It is a superlative adjective with short adjective. Okay, we said before, long adjectives like important, short adjective like large, modernistic, tall, substantial, busy. The first group are long adjectives. The second group are short adjectives. Hot, hotter, hottest, fat, fatter, fattest. If a word is long, you just add the word more for the comparative or most for the superlative. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. And we took many examples for comparative, superlative, and irregulars. With short adjective in comparative, tall, taller, short, shorter, nice, nicer, big, bigger, hot, hotter, funny, funnier, expensive, more expensive. This is long adjective. Interesting, more interesting. It's also long adjective. In superlative, we add est with short adjective. Tall, the tallest. Short, the shortest. Nice, the nicest. Big, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Funny, the funniest. With long adjectives, we add the most. Expensive, the most expensive. Interesting, the most interesting. With irregulars, good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst, many, more, the most, much more, the most, far, farther, or further, the farthest, or the furthest. Read and complete the conversation between two friends. They want to be better than each other. We live a very number A, or speaker A says, we live in a very large flat in a fashionable area of the city. Speaker B, our flat is larger. It is given. Our flat is larger than yours, and the area is, how can we describe the area? Excellent. More fashionable. More fashionable. Speaker A, my brother has a good job with a big company. Speaker B, my brother has a space job. Excellent. Better job with a space company. How can we describe company? Excellent. Bigger company. Number A, or speaker A, I am fit and healthy because I do lots of exercise. No, speaker B, I do more exercise. That's why I am Noga. Yes, excellent. Fitter and space than you. Excellent. Healthier. I am spending the weekend at my grandma. Her house is warm and cozy. I have visited your grandma before. My grandma's house is excellent, warmer and cozier. Exercise 5. Complete the dialogue between an estate agent and a potential homeowner. There are more expressions than you need. Read these expressions well. Read them silently to complete the dialogue. Yes? Who can answer? Number one. Number one, please. Excellent. Recommend. Are there any new properties for sale you would recommend? Excellent. Number two. Yes, excellent. I suggest. Number three. Excellent. I am afraid. Number four. Excellent. The difficulty is that. Number five. Excellent. Where required. Number six. Yes, open. Yes, look at your workbook and answer. Number six. Excellent. You are interested. Number seven. Excellent. As soon as possible. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Goodbye.